SSF da are from A to Z Mungwi Korea ni Kaisa social organization ni Khorokba ni Kaisa team Srangsalo Kunjaban ni Kendriyo Vidyalaya visit Khlainani Phaikha.
Ashlo rungnong ni rungsrungnai roknati khlaija khatal bidal samung batang te aba haikeno plastic free snamnani nangnai heni shaka korean shamani khoroksa dongso.
Hello, we are ASENS, the International Volunteer Activity Groups of Church of God, which believes in God the Mother and God the Father according to the teachings of the Bible and delivers the truth of the new covenant and eternal happiness to family worldwide. ASENS means save the earth from A to Z, which means save the earth from the beginning and to the end. Today we have come to this Kendriyo school to conduct zero plastic campaign with students. Nowadays, plastic causes many problems in environment and on our body as well. So we would like to raise awareness of plastic problem among students and work together for the future generations. I hope we all together have a nice and meaningful day today by having this cleaning our school and cleaning time and bring hopeful future for us. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
My name is Hyojin Kwon.
Bureau report Chini Khorang.